ACL patient and she is coming for the rehabilitation. आप बताओ आपका कब हुआ था सर्जरी और उसके बाद मतलब से
Actually, my surgery was done in last year 2018 December, and then initial 2 or 3 months I came here. I was in my hometown, and that time my rehabilitation was quite slower. But I came here in around March or April, and after that I started exercising here, and I felt the change in the strengthening of my knee. And still I'm coming here because it's given me more motivation and more strength, I feel. So, and I'm still continuing my exercises, which is good for my health also and good for me also.
Okay. So now she started very basic because she don't have strength that much. She don't have that much of confidence to walk. In fact, she walked for the 5 minutes and after that she felt like pain is in knee and as well don't feel the stability in starting. We started with the very basic exercises then that time. Now he's moved toward the plyometric, jumping, halving and strength exercise with the dumbbells and all. So she's doing all, like now we go for the plyometric exercise. Okay, so let's start from here. Just turn and do it from that side. Yes. और नीचे जाओ. Very good. नी पे स्ट्रेट तो नहीं है? नी पे प्रेशर तो नहीं है?
नहीं.
ठीक. Easy exercise. Just hold like this. Hold down and down. Hold down and down. थोड़ा सा नीचे जाओ. Make sure back straight रखना. ठीक है? Back को थोड़ा सा straight रखना. Knee को toes के आगे cross नहीं करना. 3, 4, 5. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. ऐसे करो.